Can cats eat vegetable oil? Is a question many pet owners ask when their feline gets into some cooked food. The short answer is that vegetable oil is not toxic to cats, but they should not eat it. If you are wondering if it is safe for cats to consume vegetable oil, the main issue is that felines are obligate carnivores. Their digestive systems are designed to process animal fats and proteins, not plant-based fats. Giving vegetable oil to cats can easily cause stomach upset, leading to symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal discomfort. Additionally, vegetable oil is very high in calories. If a cat regularly ingests vegetable fat, it can lead to rapid weight gain and obesity, which increases the risk of serious health conditions like diabetes. Furthermore, consuming high-fat foods puts your pet at risk of developing pancreatitis, a painful and potentially dangerous inflammation of the pancreas. If your pet accidentally licks a small amount of oil off a plate, it will likely be fine, but you should monitor them closely. If you are concerned about your pet consuming oil, or if they show signs of illness, you should consult a qualified veterinarian for advice. Focus on feeding your feline a balanced meat-based diet to keep them healthy.